So this is our home away from home this weekend. Got it all to ourselves. Absolutely beautiful place. We're going to do something a little different this evening for obvious reasons. Out here we do not have an oven or a microwave, so we're going to make our own stovetop out of fire and a griddle that's technically supposed to go on a Coleman. Anybody can do this. You can get this at Walmart, you can get Amazon, wherever you want. A real simple thing to do. Just make you a fire, get you some coals going. Once you get the coals going, spread them out, and then just set this on top of it. All it is a simple griddle. Set that on top of it, and we're gonna cook chicken nuggets on it, and that's one of the boys' favorites, so we'll see how it turns out. So down here in the south we call this fat lighter. Basically it is just an old pine tree that all the sap has run down into the tree, and it lights very quickly and very easily. It's very good for starting fires. A lot of people sell it, but you can go out into the woods in the south and get just about as much as you want if you know what you're looking for. So this is a pretty neat tool that if you're having trouble with the fire getting as big as you want as quickly, you can use this so that you can get air to it without getting your face right down to it. Usually works pretty well too. Not too shabby. So what we're doing now is we're getting this fire started so we can spread the coals and do our redneck stovetop. 2 round logs, 1 for each side, right here. And then I'll put 1 on the other side, and then I'll be able to set that grill across the top. Right there. And I got 1 on each side, and I can set that griddle. I'm gonna let that burn down just a little bit more since I just moved it around. And spread them out just at whatever, however you need to. Make it level as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect. All you're doing is cooking. And these are just plain old chicken nuggets from the grocery store. Nothing special. Just gonna warm them up over the fire.
Beautiful.
Who?
I said it's beautiful out here.
No, it's amazing out here. Well, we're having a good breakfast this morning. I'm eating breakfast of champions, a little bit of oatmeal. Penny is having a honey bun, and the view was pretty good to start out with, but now our view has turned pretty foggy, so hopefully it'll clear up shortly. Well, it's time to clean up and get this camp undone, so we're gonna get that started now. This is the worst part of the trip, but hey, to have fun you got to clean up afterwards. We're all packed up and ready to go. This car is completely full of junk. It's not nearly as neatly packed as coming, but hey, we're about to go visit a big waterfall and spillway, and then the fish hatchery. Y'all ready to go see this spillway, this monster spillway?
Yeah.
And peek over. Hand me your hand, please. So right there.
Yeah, we don't float sideways.
Yeah, well, really pretty though.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What? Did you see one where I wanted? Did you see a foot of that?
We got one for Finny. Look, Liam. Just a second.
The tummy's to mine oil.
Well, it's not sinking. I wanted it to sink. Ooh. Real. You got him. Really? Get him. Look at there. You got your first trout. Look at that.
It's pretty sticky. Can I follow that in?
Yeah.
I'm so happy that it has a trout. Can you hold?
Finny's first little rainbow trout. Grab his mouth. Yeah, he caught one. Grab his mouth.
No, he might bite me. He might bite me.
Okay. We're gonna let him go, okay? You ready, Finny?
Yeah.
It's still awesome though. Finny, what do you think? You happy?
Yeah.
Alright, let's let him go. Oh, Liam, you got him. Good job. Yeah, he's fine. He ain't going nowhere. Yeah, that's a brown trout, buddy. Number 2 trout for Fin.
Like Liam.
So we visited the Chattahoochee Forest National Fish Hatchery today. The boys each caught 2 trout. Originally I thought one of them was a rainbow, but I'm starting to think they're both brown trout. Excuse me, brook trout. Not really sure. I'll do a little research when we get back from the pictures. But I had a good time. This is the hatchery here. It's a pretty big place, but had a good time and saw a lot of fish and caught a few.
I was saying, why do you not want the bears to wake up?
Why don't I want the bears to wake up?
Yeah.
Because I didn't want the bears to come see us.
But why?
Because they would eat all our food.
Oh yeah. And we don't want to have any food.
Yeah, what if he ate your honey bun last night?
I didn't have a honey bun last night.